What's up everyone, back here again with another video. Yeah, it's been a while but I am back with another video. Today I'm going to be telling you all about what I bought when I went to the Ubud Art Market. It's a very popular market here in Ubud. Basically it's like the main one that like all the tourists go to. So I am going to show you what I got today and how much I spent and tips and tricks for haggling and all of that. But I got 1, 2, 3 big bags, and there's like multiple bags in these bags. I spent a total of like I spent $1,730,000, I want to say, dollars, not dollars. I wish I had that much money. Rupiah. I spent that much rupiah, so that equals maybe about like 100 and something dollars. I'll put the exact amount on the screen. Yeah, so like let's see what I got for $100. So if you're interested in watching and seeing all the stuff that I got, then stay tuned. Okay, so starting off with the smallest thing I got is this bag. I feel like it is very trendy. If you come to Bali, then like everyone gets one of these bags. It's literally just like a wooden bag, so it has this clasp right here, and you open it. It's like stiff because like I said, it's wooden. You can like see inside. It has like a pattern inside. They all have different patterns, so this is really cute. And I got this for $200. Now I went to a different place to get this. I went to different places, you know what I mean? Like the market is like a big, there's like hella stores inside there. So you're gonna see a lot of people basically selling the exact same things. The first person I went to, they said that they wanted like 400 or something like that for it, or they wanted, it was either 400 or 600, and I was like, lady, you are bugging. But yeah, I ended up getting this for $200. So that is pretty much the first tip. Like whatever they say that they want, try to like not pay more than half of that, like, because honestly, no, ain't nobody got time to be paying full price, you know what I'm saying? So if you pay half, or then you know that you got like a good deal. I feel like, at least that's the rule of thumb that I used. I don't know. So this was like 200 rupiah, and it is so cute. It smells like, it don't smell the best, but like, I feel like as time goes on, it's gonna air out and stuff. Like it's gonna look mad. We here for aesthetics, you know what I mean? Just who's smelling me? If you are that close to me that you are smelling my purse, you're doing too much. So yeah, I got this bag. The next thing that I got was these robes. So these robes are, if I could get it the right way. Okay. So this is the robe. I mean, it's a robe. I don't know how to explain it. It's a robe. It's a little weird because it has the armpits cut out a little bit. It's like a hole where like the armpit should be. You can't see that, whatever. Anyways, there's a hole like in the armpit. So yeah, I guess you gotta air out your pits or something. But I got these 2 robes. These are not for me, this is for someone else. And I got another one in this pink color, and these are like supposedly batik designs. Ooh, look at how that pops. Look at that popping. Okay, so yeah, I got these 2 robes for, I want to say I ended up paying $350 for the 2 of them. Originally she was trying to say like $700 basically for the 2 of them, and I was like, where? So I got this for $350. Honestly, you just have to have like a price in mind, you know what I mean? And how do you get them down to that halfway point is, I mean, I know in Western culture we're not really used to being like, I know the price tag says $5, but can I get it for $1? Like, that's not something that we do over here. Is perfectly okay. So I mean, just throw out a number like that you feel comfortable with, like that you want to pay. I think that's the key here. Like, how much am I willing to spend on this? You know what I mean? And then from that point, you want to work. You don't want to start at that one. You want to like go a little bit below that. You know what I mean? So that it looks like you're coming up when really like you're not. You know what I mean? So let's say that you only want to spend 100 on an item, right? So if you ask, how much is this robe? How much is the robe, right? They're like, oh, the robe is $350, and you know in your head that you only want to spend 100. Then I mean, it's gonna sound real crazy. Sometimes people will get upset at you, but like you could just be like, oh, well, can you what about like 75 or something like that? And they're gonna be like, oh, ha ha ha, or like, you know, some people could get upset and basically be like, get out. But like, whatever, if they do that, like, you have, oh my gosh, there's a bee outside my window. Okay, if you do that, like, there's hella other stores that you can go to. It's not as if that's the only store that you have, you know? So yeah, that's that. So shop around for sure. Like, shop around. There's gonna be a bunch of other stores that have the exact same thing. Like I just said, like, literally, if one person's willing to sell you stuff, then you can go to another store. Another tip is to, like, don't go to the first stores that you see. Kind of like walk in, you know what I mean, and like kind of look around like the sides and the outskirts, and like go upstairs specifically. I think that the going upstairs tactic really does work, because like those people, I feel like they don't really get as much business. So when they see you and they're like, oh my gosh, like, I need to make a sale real quick, like you'll hear a lot of people saying like, oh, you're my first customer, like, good price. Don't take advantage. I'm not saying take advantage, but what I'm saying is that you have more of an opportunity to get a good price, because I mean, they might not ideally want to give you that price, but like, they would agree to it because they'll be more open to negotiation, because they don't get that many sales. See what I'm coming from? Okay. Next thing, I got this dress, this yellow dress. Let's move a little bit closer. Ooh, you can't, why is it so bright? Hold on. Okay, so I got this yellow dress. Right, it is really nice. Right now it comes like to, like your, like midway, you know what I mean, one of those dresses. Oh, let me adjust this again. Yeah, it comes to like midway, but there is some strings in here. Oh my God, gotta adjust this again. There's some strings in here that you can untie, right? And then it'll make it longer. So like right now it's tied up, so it's shorter. So it's kind of like a midi type length. But if you want it to be like a maxi type length, then you can like untie the strings and then make it longer. So this is really cute. I like it. And then I don't know how much this is by itself, but I got, she was saying some other price for this too. I don't know, that lady was just on one or something like that. But I got it along with this shirt. It's just this red shirt. I don't know, red is like making its way into my wardrobe all of a sudden, who knows. I'm not mad at it though. And yeah, so I got this shirt, and I got, and you know, for people like these type of stuff are like one size fits all kind of thing, which is not really the best, because you know, obviously we all don't come in one size, but I don't know, that's the way that they sell it. So I got both of these together, and I paid 260. I believe I paid 260 for both of these together, which I feel like is too much. I should have never came up from. I wanted to pay 200, but she was like, please, like, you know, come up, basically. And I was just like, all right, sis, all right, fine, like, whatever. Sorry, this lighting is like, okay. So I was just like, okay, whatever, like, sure, if you say so, like, I'll come up a little bit. Because I mean, at the end of the day, like, it's not as if that money is like so much in the US dollars. It's just that, you know, that like you could get it for cheaper. So I don't know, I guess they need the money more than you do, I guess. Like, if you can afford to come to Bali, like, I'm sure that you can afford to pay like 50,000 extra rupiah, but like, you still don't be wanting to. So whatever, anyways, whatever you decide to do, that's on you. But like, basically that's what she was saying, like, please, like, for good luck. That's also something that you hear, like, if you're their first customer, then they'll you know, after they make their sale, they'll like really like try to give you a good price so that they can like make the sale, because it's a sign of good luck, basically. Like, oh, there's gonna be more sales to come, that kind of thing. So you'll see them like take the money, they'll like double tap your purchase and then like tap like around their store, and it's supposed to be like, oh, like, good luck basically is coming my way now, like more customers are coming my way. So together for this I paid 260, long story short. And then moving on to this bag, I got, this is my very first purchase of the day actually. I got this dress. It's like, it looks so pretty, oh my gosh. So it has these spaghetti straps, right? And then it has like this like ruching type thing, like the stretchy ruching. And then at the bottom it's just like, you know, it's a pattern dress. But basically, like, this is batik also, these kind of things, like this, and like the robe. So that's a reason why people will be like, oh, like, more money because it's batik. I mean, maybe, but like at the same time, like, I'm also not trying to spend that much money. And then along with that, I got this like other kind of stretchy tube top. It's just like a basic ass tube top, and she was trying to say like 150 or something like that for this shirt. I was like, girl, get out of here. Like, nobody's paying no 150 for this shirt. Like, no. No. So I was like, how about 50 for this? And then she said like maybe 350 for this or something like that. So altogether she would have wanted like 400 or something.
Bruh.
400 or something like. I got this for 200. I paid 200 for both of these together. So yeah, 400 for the tube top and the dress. And if it wasn't that I saw the dress, I would have just gave her 50, and you know, we would have kept it moving, because 100, I was like 150 for a tube top. No way, Jose. Okay, and then lastly, I got some shirts, some men's shirts. These are gonna be for like some of my family members, but like basically, let me try to adjust this a little bit so you could see it truly. So this is the shirt. These are like all batik shirts too. Like the quality, you can also tell like what's batik like and what's not, because like the quality is like better. I don't know how to explain it. Like, it's like sturdy, you know what I mean? Like, it's gonna hold up. So I got this shirt. I got this shirt. Look at this. Ooh la la. Ooh la la. We matching right now, actually. This shirt. I got this shirt. Ooh. Yeah, I got this one. And then I also got this one. I mean, I'm not entirely sure how I feel about this last red one, but I guess it's kind of cute or whatever. Yeah, it's alright. And for this, I think this is the most expensive one that I got, like batch of stuff that I got, because obviously there's like 4 shirts, and I think she wanted like $350 initially for each of them, and I was like, sis, no, I don't. Nope. Number one, like the way the ATM situation is set up over here is like you have to you can only withdraw like a certain maximum amount of time. So maybe that might be like 3 million. So you can only withdraw 3 million at a time, or like some ATMs are only 2 million at a time. So like you're withdrawing that kind of stuff, and if you want to like make multiple transactions, then you have to like keep withdrawing, and that's not the business, because each time you withdraw, you're gonna have to pay the non-bank fee. You're gonna pay $5 for using the ATM that's not your bank's, and then you're gonna have to pay the conversion fee. So over and over and over again each time that you withdraw money. So I was like, girl, ain't nobody got time for no $350 price tags. So I got her down to $175 a shirt, which is half of that. And so I ended up paying, let's see if I can do math, maybe like $720, I think, per shirt. And not per, whoa, altogether I paid $720 altogether. Yeah, so yeah, there we are. That is what I bought for 1,730,000 rupiah, and rupiah, I think it's rupiah, whatever. That's how much I bought. That's what I bought. That's all the stuff I got. I think I got a lot of stuff. I think I did pretty good. So yeah, if you learned from this video, you got any kind of insight from this video, whatever the case may be, give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, please. And I mean, I'm not that active on here, but like I can be, like, bitch, I can be. Yeah, I mean, hit that subscribe button if you want to keep more up to date with me in like real time, and like see my Balinese adventures. You can head to my Instagram, because that is where I usually am. Yeah, so head to my Instagram, check that out, follow me, and yeah, I will see you in the next one. Bye.